we contacted them and said, hey guys, we have developed a new community, senior lifestyle community. We've got a whole courtyard plan laid out. Let me send this to you guys and see what you can do with it. I sent that over. They designed where the fence would go, the double gated entry. They designed what pieces should go where with a little bit of our input, and ordered it, came out and installed it. And they did a phenomenal job. They were here for just a couple of days, really laid everything out spaciously and nailed it.
Yes, we will be using AAA. I think our experience with AAA has been fantastic. And what we had was, we had a situation where I came in with a different administration at the beginning of the year. An older administration had started another project. We came on the tail end of it. And even though there were some internal city problems as far as how that project had gotten started and some things had to be ironed out, AAA State of Play went out of their way, bent over backwards, made it as seamless as it could have been for an install. We even had to change some locations where the equipment was supposed to be going, because the previous administration did not take into account the area that was needed to put in a piece of equipment, but they worked with us all the way, and absolutely I would definitely work with AAA State of Play again.
Everything in this park is designed for kids with special needs, and she gave us information on this is for tactile, this is for hand-eye coordination. Everything has a purpose. Originally it had just an on-ramp, and we decided we needed an off-ramp too for kids with wheelchairs. And Mandy and I kind of did that together. They really wanted this to be a success and to be we call it a little jewel. Nobody has a park like this in our area. So that was the goal. Thank you.
We told her how much we had to spend and about what we wanted to do, and she took it from there. She had some input from the grandkids, and her designs came back exactly what we wanted. The guy's done a fantastic job, and it went in a hurry. The community cannot wait to get over here and start playing on it.
AAA coming on board and offering the playground to us is just huge. It's been a family affair, community affair, companies like AAA, and it's a good feeling. When we come out here tomorrow to work on the picnic structures, we'll drive by and you'll look out there and see that playground. That's another box that we can put a check mark in.
So a lot of our kids have high sensory needs, which is why they love the movement of the horse and what we do. So we're very blessed to have this adapted swing set to also continue to provide some of that sensory input that our kids need here at Children's Theraplay.
Swinging is probably one of Ollie's absolute favorite things to do in the world, so he swings several hours a day, and so now that he can swing at therapy, I think this is huge. Most of his senses are compromised, so he's deaf, he's blind, he has no olfactory, so he can't smell, so he relies on input, touch, and just vibrations and all sorts of other good inputs. And the horse, and as you guys put in these swings, which is awesome, the vestibular input is crucial for their overall well-being.
She could not have been nicer. We were so impressed with your company because there's such a personal touch to it. She explained how everything would work and all about the mulch and the depth of it, and then there was some question whether we would have a little ramp to go up, and we decided to have it, and that was a wise decision, and so everything went so smoothly, and we liked her so much she got hugs at the end.